Hi, that's the VIVO Y36 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. Open the control panel and find here scan icon. Just tap on it, click here to this camera, tap to open camera and only this time, for example. Now we should just place our QR code inside of the frame. Just we could see here our link, or also you could tap the shutter button to open that website. Okay. So and be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi and other mobile data, so because there is only one way how you could open this QR code. You should be connected to the internet, to mobile data, or to the Wi-Fi. So okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, something got wrong with my internet connection.